The Quit India Movement, also known as the August Movement, launched by Mahatma Gandhi on 8th of August at the Bombay session of All India Congress Committee during World War II with the aim of putting an end to the British administration in India. The Stratford Cripps Commission, sent by the British government, proposed a few suggestions in front of Indians. Proposals like according dominion status to India, calling a meeting for drafting the new Indian constitution. It was proposed that all the princely states will have the liberty to be a part of the federation or not. These proposals were opposed by the Congress and hence they called for Quit India Movement. The Quit India Movement declared British you quit India. Mahatma Gandhi gave a call to the fellow Indians to do or die. As a result, Mahatma Gandhi, Rajendra Prasad, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Kasturba and others were imprisoned. Since most of the Congress leaders were imprisoned, the non-Congress organizations took the lead of the movement. This movement gave rise to new leaders. Jayaprakash Narayana took the leadership of the movement. He was the leader of the socialist wing of Congress. He, along with his supporters, engaged in revolutionary activities. The socialist wing formed a group called the Freedom Struggle Front and outlined the strategies. They trained factory workers and called for the support of common people and collected money. Efforts were made outside the border of the India too. The efforts of the Subhash Chandra Bose are commendable in this aspect. The British government had the support of All India Muslim League, Hindu Mahasabha, the princely states, Indian Civil Service and Indian British Army. Most of the Indian businessmen did not support the Quit India movement. Most of the Indian students paid more attention to Subhash Chandra Bose, who was in exile, and supported the Axis power. Sporadic small-scale violence took place all over the country, and as a result, British imprisoned thousands of leaders. The Quit India movement failed due to lack of communication, lack of clear-cut game of actions, and heavy-handed suppression. However, the Quit India movement gave direction to the upcoming freedom struggles and developed patriotism in Indians. Jai Hind.